Love bots, it's Ethany and I have had a deck come all the way from the Australias, the Maori Tattoo Tarot. Oh, by the way, nudity. Nudity. This is published by the Rising Sun Publishing House, created by Roxana Paul, and they have sent me this lovely deck to show you all. I just have to try and get it open. Oh, there we go. So this is a self-published, self-printed deck. So you get a little white book, and I even got a little note that letting us know that the little white book is short. So they published a Maori Tattoo Tarot and Illustrated Companion at Amazon, so you can get it at Amazon. And if you purchase the deck, I believe you get the PDF for free, so we'll expand on this. This is how amazing. So thank you for that. Oh wow, the backs are beautiful. So I am going to talk about my knowledge of the Maori culture, and if I get anything wrong, if I mispronounce things, I'm so very sorry. I live, growing up in Australia. One of my best friends in primary school was Maori. Oh my gosh, moldy bread, so good. So I I have and friends from school, and so I have a lot of friends who are Maori. So this is very, very, very cool. So one thing about the tattoos, and this is very similar in a lot of islander, Polynesian islands cultures, is the tattoo art is very sacred. So you weren't able to get certain tattoos unless you were of a certain family or you had a certain standing in the tribe. You couldn't, the tattoos told a story, very much like how totem poles tell a story, if they're real totem poles and not just tourist totem poles. They tell a story of lineage of your family, of creation myths, of any sacred stories that are resonating with your family, and of experiences that you've had in your life. So tattoo art is extremely sacred, and it says here about so this is, they do have a license to reproduce the Maori tattoo tarot art patterns. So like, yeah, it's a big deal. Basically, I'm just saying, it's not like you go get it, you get drunk and you go get a tattoo. This is sacred work for the Maori people. Fool, I love the back. Holy crap, that back is gorgeous. The Fool. The Magician. It's very connected to gods of, goddesses and gods of the water, of the ocean, volcanoes, the land. I'm not going to butcher. My Maori is like, I think that's Tunga, is not good. It's been a very long time. The Lovers, the Chariot, so cool. Justice. I like that. Crab. The Crab. The Wheel. See, as you can see, there's already a lot of, so that symbol in the middle there is a sacred Maori symbol. Then we got the Shark there in the strength. The Hanged Man, this is a great one. Oh man, this death card is super sweet. I'm fucking riding in on my goddamn seahorse. Oh, it's so cool. Temperance. So cool. The Devil. I am enjoying this. Like, from the box art, I was like, I'm not quite sure, like, there's some babes on there, but I'm not quite sure, like, I wasn't sure how I was going to react to this, but I'm really, really enjoying this deck. a star. I mean, I am a little bit biased because I freaking love the ocean. Love the ocean. I mean, I did marine science and I wanted to be a marine biologist, and so judgment, the world. Okay, so we have gourds. So more pip-like in the minors. I'm going to assume that these are, yeah, they're cups. I wanted to check before I made a silly assumption. Awesome. The masks, the beautiful masks. You get the apprentices, warriors, chieftainesses, and chiefs. Okay, and for pentacles or for earth, we have discs. Oh, they're doodle. That's so cool. 3. Really cool art. Apprentice, warrior. Yeah, you beat that snake. I like snakes. Chieftainess and chief. Okay. And now we have wands, which are our fire suit, I believe. So you can see not all of them are, like, they do have people on them. So I guess I can take that Pip-esque comment back because I didn't watch all of it. I love that. It's so cool. I can imagine getting tattoos on your breast would hurt. Well, let's just say I would not be keen to find out. Very volcanic. Apprentice. So you can see a lot of very dance poses as well, because as with a lot of cultures, dance was important, and I'm sure many of you, if not all of you watching this, have seen a haka before, which is extremely powerful. Oh, that's cool. I really like that. 3 of Swords. So the swords and the pentacles, sorry, the swords and the wands have been kept as a more traditional tarot, which again, it's not, for me, for sure, is not a do or die kind of thing. Beautiful shell. Warrior. I really like the warrior cards. The chieftainess, the court's actually really, really cool. And the chief. Beautiful deck. Now they did have another deck, the Venetian masks, but I went to go find it so I could link it, but I couldn't find it anymore on Kickstarter, so maybe it's been picked up by a publisher, or it's no longer, I don't know what's going on there, but maybe Victor will let me know. It shuffles really, really well. It shuffles lovely. I'm doing a pretty hardcore riffle shuffle with them. It is, I mean, the cardstock is a little bit on the thinner side, but it would hold up, I'd say, to quite a good shuffling. I'll pop the link below where you can go and support the creators of this deck, and thank you so much for watching the video today.